Guess what? I will cook tonight. I am going to cook tonight. I am cooking tonight. All three sentences are correct. Which one should you use? Well, it all depends on what you want to say. There are slight difference in the meaning. Want to know more? Watch this video. Hi, my name is Lucie Plamondon. I'm the founder of ÉVOluciole Language School, and I'm here to help you improve and practice your English. How do I do that? Through videos that explain you the theory and the mechanics of English, and also with conversational workshops in small groups. To know more about these, visit évoluciole.com. Last weekend, I received a very interesting question from one of our conversational workshop students, Francine, here in Quebec City. She sent me a few sentences in the future asking me what was the difference between each of them. So today, we're talking about future, and I dedicate this video to Francine. Will is the most common way to talk in the future when we're learning English. Most francophones who start speaking English use will all the time. Most of the times it's good, but in this video you will learn that there are other ways to talk in the future. First one I want to get rid of, simple present. It might seem strange to say this, but yes, we can use a simple present to talk in the future, but in very specific situations. Timetables or schedules. She finishes university at 8 p.m. tonight. It is my brother's birthday tomorrow. These are facts, things that are true that we can put on a calendar and that are very unlikely to change. Then we have will. You will see in this video that there are many cases we use will for. You don't have to remember them all. All you need is practice and it will become natural. The first use of will, dreams. I will be a policeman when I grow up. I will get married and have lots of children. Promise or to show that you're willing to do something. I will help you get through this. I will pay for supper tonight. Requests. Will you do the dishes, please? Will you do your homework after school? Possibilities and suppositions. Maybe I will go out tonight. I suppose he will join us. To show determination to do something. I will graduate. We will rock you. Thinking about song lyrics is a great way to remember grammar. Spontaneous decisions. I'm thirsty. I will make some lemonade. If you're at a store and you like this coat, I will buy it. You didn't have the intention to do those actions before you said them. Future facts. I will be in Cuba this time next week. And finally, predictions that are based on our desires, what we want to happen in the future. Someday, I will travel the world. I'm sure it will be sunny tomorrow. Some keywords to remember when we're talking about will. With will, sorry. Think, expect, be sure, wonder, probably, maybe. Now, we don't use will to talk about what somebody has already decided or arranged to do in the future. We use instead the present progressive or be going to. Be going to is used for predictions that are based on evidence. If you're at a hockey game and you see the player skating towards the goal, you can say he's going to score. If there are lots of clouds, you might say it is going to rain. It is no longer a probability, it is based on evidence. Be going to is also used for plans, something that is based on an intention. I'm going to watch the next show. Jack is going to do an experiment. The present progressive is also used for future plans, but arrangements with a specific time or date. I am getting my hair cut at 3 p.m. Now, if you don't have an arrangement, you tend to use going to. I'm going to get my hair cut soon. The present progressive adds more certainty to the plan. So let's come back to the 3 sentences we had at the beginning. Your partner tells you, I don't know what to eat. You answer, oh, don't worry. I will cook tonight. This is an offer or a spontaneous decision. Will marks an intention, but I made the decision as I was talking. On another hand, I've been to the grocery store and I tell my partner I'm going to cook tonight. Going to marks an intention, but I have already decided to do this before the conversation. Third option, you tell your partner you don't have to do anything tonight. I am cooking. Here we use the present progressive because we have an arrangement. Someone is involved or you want to add certainty to the plan. Let's look at a few more examples. If I tell you I'm going to eat sushi tonight and I'm eating sushi tonight. In the first sentence, I'm going to means it's a normal plan. It's something I have planned. But if I say I am eating sushi tonight, it's 100% definite plan. Let's go back to the lemonade example. I'm thirsty, I will make lemonade. I'm going to make lemonade. Do you want some? In the first situation, I just decided it. I had no intention of making lemonade before. In the second example, the intention to make that lemonade was there before I asked the question. Therefore, I don't use will. I will post this video on YouTube. I'm going to post this video on YouTube. I am posting this video on YouTube tomorrow at 2 p.m. Do you see the difference? First one is a promise, second one is planned, and third one is a definite plan with an arrangement. I will open my business one day. I am going to open my business soon. I am opening my business next week. I think you're starting to get it. First one is like a dream. Second one is more real, more determined. It sounds like you got a plan. And third one is 100% sure. Here with the last example, Will you come to the family reunion on Saturday? Are you going to come to the family reunion on Saturday? So the first one is more of a request. The second one shows that I'm hoping or anticipating that you're going to come. The basic meaning is similar, but the feeling changes. So is it any clearer? Or are you confused now? If you're confused, take it easy. Watch this video again, maybe tomorrow or in a few days. You can also start reading in English and notice the different uses of the future. But I'm telling you, learning a new language takes time and practice. Don't give up. The rewards are amazing. Are you going to post a comment on the different uses of the future? Or maybe click like on this video? Are you going to subscribe to my channel? On my part, I will post a new video next week. Stay tuned. Bye bye.